हाय सांग मन नमस्कार गुड मॉर्निंग स्वागत जनाऊँ मोर नुआ भिडियो रे काली को आम स्कूल रे फाउंडेशन डे अच्छी 9 तारीख तो आज काली प्रतियोगिता चलती डिबेट एसे ड्राइंग कंपटीशन तो चलतु आपण को भी टिके देखे दूजी आज वीडियो बहुत हेल्पफुल हम लास्ट तक बनी रंतु चलतु सर कौन इवेंट चलती सर देखु सांग मैंने पिलाने एसे दूसरी देखो सांग मैंने ड्राइंग स्टार्ट हो गलानी देखो सांग मैंने डिबेट स्टार्ट हो गलानी
achieved a soft landing on the surface of Moon, and India became the fourth nation after America, Russia, and China to achieve a successful and soft landing on the surface of Moon. Our country also had made some history and it became the first nation to land near the south pole of Moon's surface. We know that failure is the key to success. I can better explain it with the example of Chandrayaan itself. Chandrayaan 1 was launched in October 2008 and operated until August 2009. After almost a year, its orbiter started experiencing different problems with the failure of its star tracker and poor thermal stability. Next, again the Chandrayaan 2 mission was launched in 22 July 2019 and decided to land near the south pole of Moon. But when it was landing, it crashed with the surface of Moon and it fails and the mission fails. But there was a saying that your best teacher is your last mistake. So we learned from our mistake. The successful landing of Chandrayaan 3 on Moon encapsulates the essence of Indian scientific and technological progress. It signifies the hard work done by our scientists, engineers and researchers. The success of Chandrayaan 3 set a high standard for Indian space exploration. Opportunity for students to learn all the mysteries of moon and moon. Thank you.
About Chandrayaan 3 on moon is a movement of pride.
My name is Lehetka Naiko. I study in class 6. Today I am going to say something about Chandrayaan 3 on moon is movement of pride.
Respected teachers and the jury members, I am Jaysri Acharya of class 12. Would like to speak few lines about Chandrayaan 3 on moon is a movement of pride. Chandrayaan 3 is similar to Chandrayaan 2 but with some modifications and improvements. The lander of Chandrayaan 3 was Vikram, based on the founder of ISRO, Vikram Sarabhai, and the rover's name was Pragyan because we have unlocked the new level of knowledge and technology. India is the first country to land on South Pole safely due to safe landing on moon. Safe landing on moon is much more harder than Mars because the moon's south pole is much more 33% craters than Mars. It is believed that the Chandrayaan 3's cost was approximately $74.6 million, which was much more lower than other lunar programming. Chandrayaan 3 is a challenging program which may involve many risks, and one of them is landing on moon on south pole. It requires many accuracy and multitasking. The lander has to decelerate 6 km per second to 0 second and then accelerate the same. And the second is temperature. In Chandrayaan the temperature may rise up to minus 172 degrees Celsius to 126 degrees. It may depend whether it is day or night. And the third is communication. The communication between the ISRO Grant Central Station and the moon, it is 2.5 second delay, which means the lander has to,
and the rocket name was LVM-3. It is a very pride moment for India, not only India but also for whole world, because no country has ever thought of landing on the south pole of the surface of the moon, but India did it. And many people think that India could not do anything, but India proved it wrong, and approximately 63% of officers of NASA are Indians. They thought that ISRO could not do anything, so they went to NASA, and many Indians are there who goes to abroad for their work and all. But there are many officers like Vikram Sarabhai who proved them wrong and proved that India could also do anything. Before Chandrayaan 3, India launched 2 more missions like Chandrayaan 1 and Chandrayaan 2. Chandrayaan 1 was failed due to the crash of the rocket, and Chandrayaan 2 was a little bit success.
dear friends, today's topic is Chandrayaan 3 on moon is a movement of pride. The Chandrayaan 3 was launched in April 14, 2023 in 2:35 p.m. and it is a source of pride for Indians and achievements for people. 6 August 23.
Science is boon. Anyone cannot say that science is boon or ban. Where science have a future and somewhere science have a problem. For example, when people were living in the forest, they robbing the 2 stones and got a fire. Due to science development, today that stones become a mastic. That from that mastic we got a fire. If we use that fire in a positive way, then that is boon for us. If we use that in negative way, then that is ban for us. Did we research the ground level water and lifting the ground level water through the pump. That water you use in the agriculture and domestic works and electricity production. This is boon for us. If we misutilize that water, then our future generation will not got a water, and for our future generation. Due to the science development, our scientists will make many atomic bomb. This is proudful to our scientist.
क्विज कंपटीशन स्टार्ट हो गला सांगने
कैपिटल ऑफ अमेरिका क्या डिस्कशन है के बाबू ना काई डिस्कशन करू मांडो काई क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 पछरे के रही जीवनी जो टाइम स्पेस रे म चालू छी सेमिति जीवो देले लास्ट रे स्टॉप हो राइट थर्ड क्वेश्चन Who is the first lady chief minister of Odisha? World Cup 2023 was played belongs डेट लिखिबो ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 name the river bank on which Taj Mahal is situated name the river bank on which Taj Mahal is situated which is the longest river on the earth তিনটা দেশ বলা লাগিছি বাড়ি গুড়ে দেশ যাই গুড়ে দেশ পৌঁছি যাওয়া দেশ longest question number 17 which is known as the brain of computer question number 19 which machine is used to measure earthquake by boom next where is the Mount Everest is situated data is where the Mount Everest is situated where the Mount Everest is situated
क्विज कंपटीशन सरीगला सांगने वीडियो तो भल लगी सांगने वीडियो भल लगे प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करूँ आउ घंटी बजाई आल कर दिंतु आज ये देखा काली को नेक्स्ट वीडियो आसीबो बाय।